In this exercise, I am going to show you how to use basic geodemographic targeting of who should view my LinkedIn profile using my custom robot software. So I want to restrict people viewing my profile. Like I said, profile views can help you to get a job or to sell your products and services. But I don't want many people who are not in my target marketing to be viewing my profile. So I will use this little software to target, first of all, an example of those who are interested in forex trading. Then I will also show you another example of those with skills in database marketing, market segmentation, geography, and GIS. I will come back to this explanation later why I am targeting the same people in my profession or in my niche market. You will say, are they not going to be competing with you? Well, I want to be the leader. I want to show people in this particular niche market, say for example, forex trading, or people in the database marketing, market segmentation, geography, and GIS. I want to show them my skills and how I'm using my skills to leverage LinkedIn. The reason is that maybe most of them don't use the skills they have, or they don't know how to use it. So if I can show them how to use it, then they will get involved in my training. So I'm going back to this software. So here we are in my customized software to search for people from specific geographic location on LinkedIn. I have already prepared a message. I want to send a message that I have started a group. The first exercise is to send them a message that I have started a group called Fractal Finance. So I want to invite people from specific geography to join the discussion group. I don't want everybody to be in the discussion group. So this is the beginning. I have already prepared the messages. I will set up the keyword search. The keyword to search for are FX, Forex, stock market, Forex trading, MetaTrader. These are people with these interests, but who are my followers or who are in my connections. I don't want it to search people I am not connected with, because I cannot send people I'm not connected with message with this software. But those who are already in connections with me and they have the characteristics that they are either forex trader, they are involved in stock market, in financial trading or capital markets, is whom I will select. But I also want them to come from specific location, United States, and I need to specify the code. For example, you know that we have our databases. Remember, you will have this if you are on the 12 months subscription access. You will have more than 20 million databases of business owners, B2B leads from around the world. And I'm just showing the example of the one I have already processed. Let's look at a common one. Let's use a simple one. This list consists of people from specific geography in United States. And I don't know whether they have interest in Forex or not, but I will find out from my search for them using my software. So assuming they are already in connections with me. So I will pick a specific postal code. I will bring this postal code back to the software. And I want the software to search for people. If I say 10 miles or 15 kilometers is too small, so I will expand the radius. Say, for example, about 160 is the limit here. So it will search within this postal code people who have interest in forex, in stock market trading, and so on, to join my group I called Fractal Finance on LinkedIn. So everything is specified. Then I will then run it. This is just for example. I will not go into details. I will then run it. It will loop, it will go into LinkedIn, specifically targeting my connections, not everybody on LinkedIn, but only my connections, and find out whether if I have people. So it got about 13 results who are my connections, who are in the specific geographic location I specified, and who I want them to take part or to be part of my discussion group called Fractal Finance. So the software will then send each of them the message I prepared to join. So this is why it is important for you to have prepared your geodemographic list of specific location you want to be interacting with on LinkedIn. So it got them, and it will start sending the messages one by one. So Alex is one of my connections, and he is involved in fractal trading. So he is involved in stock or forex trading. He lives in Southern California, or is from there. I don't know. Let me see. But maybe he's good in there. So hello, Alex. I have started a Fractal Finance group. So I put the message, it types the message automatically, and it will send the message to Alex. So this is the interesting part of it. I am no longer using it as a general tools, but specific, with specific interests, to specific people with specific interests who lives in specific geocode. So but first of all, for this to work very well, you must have used my 20 million geodemographic list to invite people to connect with you. They must have already been connected with you. So you actually don't know. And it will start sending the message one by one. So this is how we use geodemography to do what we want to do on LinkedIn. Eventually, it will increase your connections, or the software will help you to gain more people, or make you to be a leader in your group, so you market to the people in your group. So as you can see, it will loop and find the next person in my connection, but who is in the geographic area that I specified. and who meet certain parameters, it will then send them invitation. So this is the second person, but they must be my first degree connectors. Let me see whether I can shift this one. They must be my first degree connectors. So that is how it works. As you can see, the person Allah Peters is also involved in marketing. So it will go on and pick the next one. Those that are successful. It will later show me the people that the message has been successfully sent to. It picked Matt Maza, is the director of CO Quant Trading LCC. You don't have to be afraid of whom you are using this to send messages to. So you never know whom will employ you if you are good in what you are doing, provided you are professionals in your message and you know what you are doing. So this is it. In this particular example, I have used it to target people from California area who are involved in stock market, in forex, in financial trading, and I'm using it to invite them to visit my new group discussion called Fractal Finance on LinkedIn. So it all depends on how many of them that are in my connection. So I thank you, and I hope you enjoy this.